Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing my baked mac and cheese recipe. These are the ingredients that you'll need, and you can find the exact measurements in the description box below. We're going to start prepping our water by adding salt and olive oil. Right before our water hits boiling point, we're going to be adding our macaroni pasta. You'll cook your macaroni for about 7 minutes, right before al dente. Next, we'll be moving on to our roux. We're going to take butter and flour, and you want to make sure that you cook this through to get rid of the flour taste. Once you've incorporated these together, we're going to be adding in our milk. For my cheeses, I'm adding Sharp Cheddar, Monterey Jack, Mozzarella, and Havarti, but you can use whatever combination of cheeses you like. For my seasonings, I'm going to add salt, pepper, and smoked paprika. Just make sure that you taste for seasoning before adding to your macaroni. Next, I'm going to take some warm milk and add this to the remainder of our cheese. I'm also going to lightly beat an egg and add this to our mixture, and this is all going to be incorporated into our macaroni. Now for the topping, you can top it off with a cup of cheese, but I'm going to be taking some Parmesan cheese, panko breadcrumbs, and olive oil, and I'm going to be topping my macaroni and cheese with this mixture for a crunchy topping. I hope you give this recipe a try this holiday season. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.